Well, good afternoon from the Netherlands, end of the day, and it was beautiful weather. And well, before it got dark, this Honda CB750 K0 from 1970. What a beauty. Well, I love the color. This one, it's all new. Paintwork, everything, it's in top condition. So let's hear it, because the sound of this one is it's very nice. With the 4x4 exhaust, it's really pretty different than the younger ones. There's not much fuel in it, so it could be that the bike stops and I'm out of fuel. So hope I get it, keep it on the running. I like the first model, the higher handlebar. The darker was different, and what a bike. It's very nice. Probably won't keep on running, maybe. Ah, it stops, it's too cold. Well, we have a lot of pictures made today. They will be published on the website. The bike is really in beautiful condition. 1970, one of the most wanted. And maybe you can have a good look here on the color with the sun. It's so nice. And also you get the special seat there with the small, yeah, call it hub on it. Top. The bike is completely restored. Engine is rebuilt. And after engine rebuild, only 2016 kilometers are made with the bike. So that's not a lot. So if you're looking for a CB750, this K0 could be yours. We ship worldwide, no problem. And well, contact me if you want to pay a visit in the Netherlands or schedule a video call, also possible. And if you like the video, keep following us. More videos to come. Thank you. Bye bye.